Harris has specially developed a wave-type wireless kebab knife, which is characterized by cutting meat evenly, and the meat won't stick to the blade. The blade, made of food-grade stainless steel, is very sharp and durable, can slice meat quickly. By adjusting the thickness knot, we can control the thickness of the sliced meat to meet users' different needs. When used, the wave cutter head cover outside the blade can well prevent the meat from sticking to the blade. When the blade is blunt, we can edge it with a knife sharpener to achieve long-term use. Harris Wave Wireless Kebab Slicer cuts meat evenly and efficiently.
开个10秒钟，10秒钟一点。